Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine and I'm your class teacher, mathematics teacher. So let's start our today lecture. Okay, now last time we finished 1.2. So here are the answers of 1.2. I hope all of you solve as it is same. Now, and these also questions, these are few questions. I hope we finish this all because okay, if we didn't finish this all, so let's start from question number 7. Let me check and then I will tell you either we finish all these or not. So for grade 8, I hope the previous all lecture you understood. So if you have any question related to these in the question that we solve on in our class, so and if you have any questions like that, so please talk to me. Okay, so yeah, I see we finish all these questions. So here are the answers of the remaining part. So today we will start from 1.3. So more about the prime numbers. Class, prime number, whenever I say to you how to find prime number, there are many methods, few method I teach you before, but there are few methods. Okay, so it's called tree diagram. This topic is prime number. In the last you just see the prime number, but I also suggest you, when you get the prime number in the last, so it's mean the tree diagram is finished. So it's a tree diagram. Any integer bigger than 1, not that is not a prime number. Okay, so can be written as a product of the prime numbers. So here are the, they just multiply only the prime numbers. Other than this they didn't multiply. Okay, because there is, in tree diagram there is called a factor tree. Okay, to find and show, you can see these all are prime numbers, so they just multiply these. We cannot get any number other than prime number. Okay, let's start our questions. Okay, now here like 120, I have one, we have 120. Let me write something. So okay, now we have 120 here, you can see. So we divide this into two part, 12 and 10. It's so easy to 12 multiplied by 10 equal to 120. So 12 we divide into further part, like 12 multiplied with sorry, 3 multiplied 4, that is 12. But 3 is a prime number, so we never solve anymore. Okay, so we have a 4 as well. So 2 multiplied by 2, so 2 is a prime number, so we know that 2 and 2 is a prime number, so we never solve anymore. As it is, say we have a 10, so 2 multiply 5, these both are prime number, so we never solve these question anymore. So it's mean, so that is our product. Okay, so there are many method, like this one is also one method and another one is also one method, like to multiply by 60, 120, as it is same, but there is a different ways, okay, to solve these things. So like that you are solving easily. I hope it's so easy, there's, you never face any problem. The same thing I was already teach you. So let's move on. Okay, let's start LCM. Now here we have these things, like with the help of tree diagram you can easily solve all the parts. Okay, so at the end you multiply all these numbers that you get, so just multiply this and that is your LCM. So for HCF, as you know that you just write all the numbers, like here, like here we just check, we have 2, but here don't, there is no 2, so we write 2. Here is 3 and 3, so we just write one time. Okay, here is 5 square and here is 5, we just take the bigger one. Okay, so here is 5 square, so I'm taking 5 square here, 5 this one is here, and 3 simple, because there is both 3 are same, so we take only one. Okay, so like that we are taking all these number. Whenever we are solving HCF, that is called LCM. For HCF, we just need to find the common things both have, like here 3 and 3 are common. Okay, so he write 3 here, and there is 2 5, they will have only 1 5, so we just take only 1 5 because the common thing we just take. So I write here 3 and 5, that is 15. It's 15, LCF is 15, so LCM is 300. Like that they give us a few more example, like we're trying to solve, and let's suppose after 6, if we draw a tree diagram, so I write here 3. So here I write 2. So uh, after that, as it is same, so here is 2 8, so we divide this into 2 and 4. So here 4 we divide into two more part, like 2 and 2. So same like that you are solving all the remaining parts. So I hope you understood all these things. So let's solve the second part. Let's suppose I have 108 and here is 2. 2 is already a prime number, so no need to solve this. But this one, so we just divide this into two part. Okay, so which number we write here? So let's suppose 2, I write here 2. Not here, we write here 2. Okay, here I write 2. Now next here what I write? 2 how many times equal to 54? That is, I think, 25, 26, 27. Yeah, so let's write here 27. Now write here 27. So we know that we also divide this into two part, like sorry, 27. So here I write 3 and 9. So let's suppose I write here 9, and that is multiplied by 3. So it's 27. So here, so 9 we multiply with 3 and 3. Okay, so you can see that all how we will solve this. We just make a tree diagram with the help of this. So I don't think so it's hard or it's difficult for you. So we already solved in the class. So let me show you the answers of this question. Here, different tree are possible. It's up to you. You can draw. Many different trees are possible. You should with yeah. So these all questions you do by yourself, but match each numbers as a product of prime number. One has been done for you. Okay, so let's suppose 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied 5, that is 20. So let's take second one. Okay, 42 24. So 2 multiplied by 3 6. 6 multiplied by 7, that is 42. So where is 42? Yeah, this one is 42. Now next, let's, no, not this one, black one. 50. 2 square is 4. Okay, 4 and 3 square is 9. So 4 multiplied 36. 36 multiplied by 5, that is equal to 150 plus, so it's 180. So I just write this one. Now next one is, now let's take a pink color. So 25 multiplied by 250, so I just write like that. So next I take red one. So this one I just draw here directly. So it's so easy. Matched, write down the numbers that are being represent. So what is the answer of this one? Just I solve first one or the last one. Okay, so 2 2 square is 4. 4 multiplied by 3 12. 12 multiplied by 5, that is 60. So the answer of first is 60. As it is same here, we have 25. 5 square is 25. 25 multiplied by 13, it's equal to 325. I hope. Let me check the answer. Now 325 and the remaining all we should write as it is same. So it's not hard. The last part you just make the factor like that with the help of T diagram. 24 you write here. Okay, and divide this into two part, like 2 and 12. 12 divided in 3 and 4, and 4 divided into two part, that is 2 and 2. So as it is same, you are just easily find all these things. So I hope it's so easy. Here are the answer of 1.3. So let's solve the other part, that is question number 6. Write each of the number as a product of prime number. So first thing, we just write each number as a product of prime number. So product of prime number, how you write this? You divide this into two parts, like as I told you before. Let's suppose I write here like 9, and here I write 5. Okay, after that I write here 3. No way. Here I write 9. I hope all of you hear my voice. And here I write 5. write 5. Okay, now here I write 3, here I write 3. Okay, so let me draw a diagram, lines. This one here, second one here, this one here, and this one here. So that is the product of prime number. So we write the prime number 3 squares and 5. So the prime number here for 45 is 3 square. Okay, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So here is the we call it that is the product of prime number. Okay, so find the LCM of 45 and 75. So what is the LCM? So same like this, we are solving this one 75. So how we will solve this, 5 how many times, we just write here, let's suppose I write here 5, and 5 how many times equal to 75, that is 15 times. Okay, now I divide this 15 into two parts, 3 and 3 multiplied by 5. Okay, so the answer that we also already get here as well, this one first, second, third, fourth. Okay, now what I write here, this is for 45 and this is for 75. So what I write, 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so here the things that we are writing now, in these things we are find LCM. First thing we write here LCM, CM. So how we find LCM? Now LCM has it's not necessary to write the common numbers, we just check how many numbers are extra, like 3 and 3 are common, so we write 3 one time. Okay, then we have 2 times 3, so we write 2 times 3 multiply by 3. Okay, next is no need for, yeah, square, the biggest value we write here. So 5 also have 2 times, so 5 multiplied by 5. More time, the thing that we get, we just write those things. So what is the answer? So 3 multiplied by 3, 9 multiplied by 25, so that is equal to 200, not 50, 225. So my answer is 225, that is our LCM. So what is our HCF? HCF, which number we are selecting here? The common numbers. Okay, so 3 and 3 one time common, so we write it 3. 5 and 5 one time common, so 5. So what is the answer here? 15. So let's check either we are right or wrong. Let's find. So 15 and 2 to 25. Yeah, 15 and 225. That is B part, that is your C part. Okay, so same like that we are solving all other things. I hope all of you understood all these things. So same like that you're solving the other part. Okay, 7 and 8. I hope all of you understand all the questions. If you have any questions, so in next class you just ask me. Thank you, take care, goodbye.